Hey guys, it's Brandy again. Today we got a little bit of rain. Whole lot of rain. So the chicken's kind of dry. Yesterday I had to build something for the cows to get in out of the weather. So I started this little barn here. Gotta finish the front of it. And there's Mr. Billy Goat. I'll walk on around here a little bit. Got two Jersey bulls there. And I got the other little fella laying down right there, the chicken. Walk around here, check these other chickens out. It's pretty soupy out here because that rain, we got a lot. Got some naked neck chickens there. And Billy's following me because he thinks I'm going to feed him my ducks. One of my little baby turkeys. That's Hey Hey and No No, which is Braxton's chickens. These guys. Yeah, he's pretty loud. And there's Tom the turkey. I'll come around here, try not to get all up in the mud. And that's Ike and Tina turkey. I don't know how he breaks up their water dishes. What he does. I had to take a break on the trailer project. Got a bunch of rain and the garage flooded out. Ain't no sense in welding standing in water. I think there was about 4 inches of water that was in the garage a little bit ago. Come over here to my bunnies. Little babies. Check out my little raccoon. Yeah. Alright guys, I'm going to walk around here and try to stay out of the mud. It's all muddy back here. A little loud here for a second until we get past this. Yeah, we got some rain today. I had to move the trailer out of the garage. Like I said, it was flooded. But I did start on the dovetail. So far, that's what I got. Alright guys, I'm going to get off here. Bye.